As the trusted and preferred brand of electrical contractors for nearly 150 years, GREENLEE offers the most comprehensive line of tools, equipment, and accessories that contractors can rely on daily to get the job done. Introducing the 2-speed Ultra Tugger 10 and Mobile VersaBoom 2, GREENLEE's quick and easy solution for overcoming the unique challenges of cable pulling and enhancing an electrician's bottom line. This self-contained cable pulling system can handle loads as high as 10,000 pounds and allows over 20 feet of cable to be pulled from conduit to capstan and can be set up for a pull by one operator in less than 2 minutes. Knowing that no two pulls are the same, the UT10 VersaBoom system was designed with a small footprint and engineered to be flexible on the job site. Electricians are constantly met with varying conduit materials, challenging workspaces, and multiple bends and pull lanes. If time is money, the UT10 VersaBoom system will pay for itself in no time.
I'm Tony Schaefer with Ballard Electric, project foreman. We've been using the new UT10 cable puller and the mobile VersaBoom on our project, and we've been pulling 300 MCM, about 250 foot runs. We average them in under 8 minutes per pull, which we feel saves us 2 hours per person on a 3-man crew, 6 hours per pull of time savings because of the setup is so much easier and the wire puller is so much faster. We really like the product and we'll use it from here on out.
Let's take a closer look at the features and advantages of each component that make up this dynamic cable pulling solution. Powering the UT10 is a 2-speed motor that can pull loads as high as 10,000 pounds. As the pull progresses, the UT10 can easily be switched between high speed and low speed with a simple double tap on the foot pedal. When your pull is complete, the foot pedal can be easily removed and stored on the mobile VersaBoom 2 wheel carriage for your convenience. With safety features common to all GREENLEE pullers, the UT10 is equipped with a circuit breaker to protect its components and a right-angle shiv to keep the operator out of the direct line of the pull. Mounted on the puller head is a force gauge to continuously monitor pulling force during the pull. Force levels are easily read as LED lights illuminate along the gauge while the load increases or decreases, as opposed to dial indicators on competitive pullers. The mobile VersaBoom 2 is made of strong heavy-gauge steel with a push handle, rugged swivel casters, and flat free wheels for navigating the tough terrains of a construction site. Once you're at your pull location, the unit can be ready to pull in less than 2 minutes in just 3 simple steps. 1. Effortlessly raise or lower the boom with GREENLEE's hand crank system. 2. Adjust the nose and elbow to the required angle using the quick detent pins. And 3. Attach the appropriate conduit adapter. To work with conduit of varying diameters, slip-in slotted adapters are available in 2 to 5 inch sizes and are easily mounted onto the nose using quick disconnect pins. Optional screw-on adapters are also available. When not in use, adapters can be conveniently stored on the wheel carriage. In a side-by-side setup comparison, the UT10 mobile VersaBoom was put up against the Gardner Bender Ultra Brutus and the Maxxis 10K. The results are dramatic. From a design perspective, the GREENLEE unit is self-contained and has fewer parts to adjust for the pull. Not only does this allow it to be set up quickly, but it's also much safer and more efficient to set up since there are no potentially dangerous and heavy pivot points for an operator to struggle with. In addition, the GREENLEE boom requires just 30 pounds of force at the crank handle and takes just 10 rotations to raise the boom 50 degrees. The UT10 VersaBoom unit was set up in less than 45 seconds and is now ready to pull as the competitive pullers continue with setup adjustments. At this point, it's already obvious that the GREENLEE puller is the quick and easy alternative for overcoming setup challenges and optimizing a crew's productivity.
I'm John Hauser with the Morse Group. GREENLEE let us use their new UT10 cable puller and their VersaBoom. We had to pull 4,000 feet, 25 kV, 500 MCM cable. We were able to pull 3 1,000 foot runs per day This allowed us a 16-hour saving for the crew. With a 6-man crew, this saved us over 100 hours of labor.
The UT10 VersaBoom pulling system is designed to meet the needs of virtually any kind of pull and many types of job sites. The quick Detent pin system allows an operator to quickly change the pulling orientation for an up pull, down pull, or side pull with very little effort. When space is limited, an operator can conduct a pull with only one boom section. Since the nose and elbow assembly are the same, the extra boom can be stored on the wheel carriage. In unique situations or where workspace is extremely tight, the puller can be disconnected from the boom assembly and run from the floor mount or chain mount, which is sold separately. If a longer boom is needed for more cable to be pulled from conduit to capstan, the tail boom can be manually extended up to 20 feet using a piece of 3-inch rigid pipe. When the pull is complete, the unit can be folded for transportation or disassembled as quickly and easily as it was set up, and then transported in the bed of a pickup truck. This self-contained unit can be easily stored until your next pull. With the necessary power and flexibility you need, the UT10 VersaBoom 2 cable pulling system will prove to be an invaluable piece of equipment on the job site. It's been designed specifically to help electricians make successful pulls in just about any situation with speed, ease, and efficiency. Combined with GREENLEE's commitment to service and support, there is only one choice. Contact your nearest GREENLEE distributor and see why GREENLEE has a lot of pull when it comes to electricians. From power tools, hand tools, and hole making, to fishing, bending, and pulling, to termination and testing, GREENLEE is committed to customer-focused innovation and offering tools that are made for the trade.